Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone daily work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. This channel is a little bit different than other work from home job lead channels because I'm always focusing on things that people will actually qualify for. Things like customer service and data entry, things that require not a lot of experience, things that require no college degree, and then I do also sprinkle in some of those high-paying jobs and college degree jobs here and there, trying to have something for everyone. So as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I always keep that in mind when I am searching. But if you never want to miss out on any of the good work from home job leads, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. But I will stop rambling now. Today's job lead is from the company SimSpace. Now, SimSpace was launched in 2015, and they are in the cyber security industry. They are looking for a customer support specialist. This is a fully remote, but this is a non-phone customer support specialist role. They are looking for someone to work their support tickets. So this is a technical support job. You'll serve as the crucial frontline technical support tier 1 by responding to customer support tickets as soon as they enter the help desk queue. This could include answering how-to questions, troubleshooting issues, and escalating requests to the appropriate team. You'll manage and monitor the help desk queue to ensure that the service level agreements are being met. You'll respond to and resolve tickets quickly, efficiently, and whether it's a tier 1 request that you handle or a tier 3 request that you escalate up for someone else to handle, you'll take ownership of that ticket and make sure it gets resolved. Now, they are looking for someone who has 2 or more years experience in either a technical support role or a customer service role, so you don't necessarily have to have a technical support background if you have a customer service experience. They also want someone who can create information and engage in troubleshooting content, someone who is a problem solver, someone who has high attention to detail, and has previous experience working in support workflows. Now, if this is you, they do pay very well. Salary range is $60,000 to $75,000 a year. And on top of that pay range, they also offer semi-flexible hours. The hours that you work are flexible with the expectation that you at least work some hours that overlap the main part of the day so that you can meet deadlines and collaborate with colleagues when needed, attend meetings when you are needed for meetings. They do also include a benefit package including medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k, all of the things, and they include a Peloton interactive wellness program also. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.